Hi, I'm Chef AJ, and I wanted to tell you about a wonderful product I just discovered, which is the Strapless N95 mask from ReadiMask. I did a 1-hour interview earlier today with the inventor and CEO, which I'll link to in this video, and he answers every question you could possibly have about this mask, which is why the comments are turned off. But I'm doing this short video so that I can post it on other platforms where an hour is too long, like Instagram, for example, because I'm so excited about this product. Now, this is not a political video. That's why the comments are turned off, and I'm not here to have a debate whether or not masks are effective or we should wear them, because the reality of the situation, guys, is some of us live in areas that if we want to work and we want to get paid, for now, we have to wear a mask. Or if we want to visit our relatives in a hospital, nursing home, or assisted living, we have to wear a mask. So if I'm going to wear a mask, I want it to be comfortable. You know, I taught my first in-person class since the pandemic last week. And for 5 hours, I was wearing a mask and I was very uncomfortable, believe it or not, because it was killing my ears. I hate things around my ears. I also hate things around my neck, except for this one necklace that says AJ. And I heard from a very famous doctor about these strapless masks. They're N95 masks. They come in gray and yellow, silicone and acrylic. And again, any question you have is going to be answered by the CEO. You're not going to have any questions that weren't answered. So I'll link to that video. And so I bought them. I didn't know if I was large or small, or if I like yellow or gray. So I bought one of each. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to put on. And it's just so comfortable. And really, I am built for comfort. So you can use a larger mask on a smaller face, but you can't use a smaller one on a larger face. And you can't cut these, guys, so don't do that. Watch the long video if you want more information. So they come like this, almost like a large Band-Aid, basically. And you want to have the part with the writing on the bottom. And so you just peel it off. And you can save this to, stick it back on, or just stick it on a piece of plastic or dashboard if you want to reuse these. The company says they can't say they're reusable, but everybody I know that uses them, and I know a lot of healthcare workers, even frontline ICU nurses, they reuse them a few times, but it's just really going to depend. But they're so comfortable. You can breathe really easy with them. If you wear glasses, they don't fog up your glasses. And the main thing is they don't pull on your ears. So basically all you do is, well, obviously you want to do this looking in a mirror. So you want to have it like kind of about halfway to your nose in the center, and you just press it there. And then you press it on the bridge of your nose, keeping it horizontal like that. And then you just gently come down like this. And that's it. You can totally breathe. It actually makes an incredible seal, and it is just so much comfortabler. Is that a word? I don't think I put it on perfectly. So let me do it again, because I could see it's a little bit more on the right. This is only my second time using it. I'm going actually out now. So I'm going to have to put it on before I go into the assisted living to visit my friend. So press it on your nose, keeping it horizontal. There we go. And down, and that's it. And so if I wanted to wear glasses, I can. It doesn't affect the glasses. It doesn't fog up the glasses. You can breathe. You can see it creates a very, very nice seal. I like the yellow. I wish they'd make pink. They said maybe one day, or purple. Hopefully we won't have to wear masks much longer. And you forget it's there after a couple of minutes. And they also make them with face shields. So if you need a whole face shield, and there's other uses other than pandemics for these masks, like if you live in a place that's really dusty, or fires or things like that, watch the whole video. Really easy to take off like that. And so what I'm going to do is I am just going to stick it to the plastic of this until I have to use it again. And that's it. Oh, the CEO, John Schwind, he was so kind to answer all the questions about them. He also is giving, I don't know for how long, a 25% off code, which I'll link to below. It's Chef AJ 25 at the company's website, readymask.com. So again, look, I hope nobody ever has to wear a mask, but if you do, and you want it to be really comfortable and not pull on your ears and your neck and not fog up your glasses, maybe give this one a try. That's it for now. Take care. I'm Chef AJ. Good night.